In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Printify products in Wix. This process will allow you to seamlessly integrate your custom designed products into your Wix store, effectively expanding your e-commerce offerings. To get started, let's first connect your Printify account to your Wix website. Begin by logging into your Wix account and navigating to the Wix editor. This is where the magic starts. On the left-hand side menu, you'll notice an option that says Add Apps. Click on this to open the app market, where you'll search for Printify. Once you found it, click on Add to Site. After that, you'll see a prompt to click Agree and Add to authorize the app. At this point, you have two options. You can either sign up for a new Printify account if you're new to Printify, or simply log in if you already have an existing account. If you already have an account, visit your Printify dashboard, click on the profile icon, and select My Account. Here, you need to click on My Stores, then Add New Store, and opt for Wix to connect your site. Simply follow the prompts, authorize the connection, select your Wix site, and finally click Allow and Install. Having established that connection, you can now head over to creating your first product on Printify. In your Printify account, navigate to the My Products page. Here, you can choose a product from the extensive catalog to start designing. Upload your custom design and position it accurately on the product. You also have the opportunity to adjust specific product details, such as colors and sizes, to tailor the item to your preferences. Don't forget to edit the product's title, description, and pricing to ensure it appeals to your customers. Once everything looks perfect, make sure you save your product. Now let's move on to publishing your newly created product to Wix. Back on your My Products page in Printify, select the product you've just designed. You should see a Publish button. Click on it. Within moments, your product will appear in your Wix store's product catalog, ready for potential customers to view and purchase. One crucial detail to remember during this process is checking and setting up your shipping rates in your Wix store's shipping settings. This ensures that the correct charges are applied at checkout, providing a smooth experience for your customers. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to adding Printify products to your Wix store. With this integration complete, you're all set to offer unique custom products to your audience. Thanks for following along, and happy selling!